Is there?
Si Sarah.
Si Sarah, nakakaloka. I'm like, is there? Naloka ako. Okay.
Welcome to the family.
Well, I think kasi si Chard is also very open na ang kanyang girlfriend ngayon at kanyang apple of the eye is Miss Sarah Labati na, you know, I mean, we treat her like family na rin kasi syempre mabait naman si Sarah.
How's she with your daughters?
She loves my daughters. My daughters love her. Kung may time si Sarah, lagi niyang binabantayin yung mga bata and they go to the gym together, they watch movies together, manonood sila ng Taylor Swift together. Oh.
The concert, where?
I think sa SM,
dito,
MOA,
sa
sa arena. So excited na excited sila. So may mga bonding moments din sila. Pag medyo busy ako, si Sarah yung nagbe-babysit. Pero I'm sure with our family, like every day there's always a pasabog. So I'm sure mag-enjoy sila sa reality show na to. Social experiment talaga. So sabi ko, please help me Lord. Kailangan may dala-dala akong tigatina sa aking hair. Baka lumabas ang mga white hair ko. Napansin ko kay Mommy, even if we're old na, she treats us like we're 10 years old pa rin. Yung parang, oh, asan na si Richard, si Raymond? Baka yung passports nila. I'm like, Ma, we're well-traveled. Hindi kami maliligaw sa airport. You know, so parang iniisip pa rin niya minsan na we're 5 years old, we're 10 years old, pero ganun talaga, hindi nawawala yung pagiging nanay at tatay ang mga magulang natin. Sabi ko, this is so funny kasi talagang it's reality. So, pag sinasabi ko, can you switch off the camera? Hindi ako pinapansin, no, cameraman. Sabi ko, ay nako, ano ba yan? Kailangan ba talaga naka-on the whole time? I'm sure may mga beauty secrets na i-reveal, di ba? Of course, Cosmo Skin. It's evolved a great deal. I mean, nandyan pa rin yung normal bickering between mother and daughter, but I think now we have a more deeper understanding kasi syempre, nanay na rin ako. When it comes to love, wala siyang pake. She's still the same Annabelle Rama since I've known her, like, since I was born. But it's evolved in the sense that I think my mom has mellowed down a great deal.
It's like
it was nerve-wracking kasi hindi pa kami sanay with the cameras following us around eh. Hopefully talaga masanay na kami and we'll pretend na part na siya ng buhay namin. Pero as of now, parang bakit may camera? Ba't naka-on? You know,
because you had to gain the approval of E.
Yeah, we had to gain the approval of E, of course.
So how did it feel when you got it?
We were so happy. Actually, nung this was like an experimental project lang. It was meant to be a 2-hour special. They loved it so much na ginawa nilang 1 season. Yeah.